In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange documents in Docusign. Before we begin, let's ensure that you're logged into your Docusign account and ready to dive into the process. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, your first step is to access the documents you'd like to arrange. Head over to the Agreements section, and for the purposes of this demonstration, we'll specifically be focusing on the drafts you have saved. This is a handy approach because drafts allow you to tweak and organize your documents before any final actions are taken. When you find yourself in the Drafts section, you'll see your list of documents. To proceed with arranging them, click on Continue. This will open up your working space where the documents are listed in the order you've initially uploaded them. Now here's where the organizing magic happens. If you have multiple documents, you may want to rearrange them to ensure they're presented in the sequence that suits your needs. Docusign makes it easy to do this. Simply click and drag the documents to change their order. It's an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, similar to many other document managing systems, which makes it easy even if you're new to using Docusign. Dragging the documents into your preferred sequence not only helps in aligning them as per the requirements of your project, but also aids in maintaining workflow efficiency when these documents are later sent out for signatures. Once you've arranged your documents to your satisfaction, the next step is to transition into Docusign's editorial mode. Click on Next, and this will take you into a more detailed editing environment where you can add signatures, initials, and other necessary fields to your documents. This step is crucial if there are any additional elements that need to be added to the reorganized documents, ensuring that everything is fully prepared for the signing phase. After you've made all desired changes and arrangements in the editorial mode, it's important to save your work. Docusign provides a straightforward saving process. Simply click on Actions, and then select Save and Close. This action securely saves all your changes and positions your documents, leaving them ready for the next phase, be it sending them out for signatures or keeping them for official records. And that's all there is to arranging documents in Docusign. Following these steps will help ensure that your documents are organized efficiently, making the signing process smoother for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and happy document handling.